Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. We're from Group A and today we will present case study 1, launch of a new fast food outlet. Our group member are Aimes Kazulfianti as outlet manager 2, then Aurelia Putri as marketing officer, Denia Nurhaliza as supply chain manager 1, Nabila Rahma as Health and Safety Supervisor 2, Nadia Verita as Outlet Manager 1, Nadia Rafa as Supply Chain Manager 2, and then Ainu Najwa as Supply Chain Manager 1. This case just got quick back in, with plan to open a new flagship outlet in Jakarta's financial district. Despite the strong business potential, the company faced several operation risks related to staffing, marketing, supply chain, and health compliance. In this presentation, we will analyze the identified risks, their impact, and the mitigation strategies. Now let's begin the presentation.
As outlet manager, I will explain the risk of staff training and employee readiness. Based on this slide, the main issue is insufficient training time before opening, combined with many new employees who are still unfamiliar with fast food operation. So the situation can lead to operational mistakes such as incorrect food handling, slow service, and increased customer complaints, which directly affect the customer satisfaction. The risk level is high because staff performance is one of the most critical factor in daily operation. So to mitigate this, the company should implement structured SOPs, provide intensive pre-opening training, and conduct simulation under real rush hour condition. So overall, strong preparation is in this stage is essential to avoid early operational failure during the launch. Without the preparation, even a strong location and brand cannot guarantee smooth operations.
Okay, so I will continue with operational flow and rush hour management. As shown in the slide, the outlet is located in high traffic business district, meaning customer volume will significantly increase during peak hours. The main risk is inefficient workflow, which can result in long queues, delay orders, and record customer satisfaction. Both likelihood and impact are high due to the location and expected demand level. To mitigate this, the outlet should implement a structured workflow system, assign clear shift responsibilities, and increase staffing during peak hours. This is important to ensure service speed remains stable even during extreme customer service. Proper coordination during peak hour will directly determine overall customer experience.
I will explain food safety compliance risks. As shown in the slide, the outlet must comply with updated food safety regulation, but there is still a risk that employees do not fully understand proper hygiene and food handling procedure. This can lead to serious consequences such as inspection failure, food contamination, and legal penalty. The risk level is medium to high because it heavily depends on staff discipline and training efficiency. To mitigate this, the company should conduct mandatory food safety training, implement hygiene checklists, and perform regular internal audit. This is crucial to mention, but regulatory compliance and customer first in food quality, food safety, negligence, even in small amounts, can escalate into major reputational damage.
I will continue with kitchen sanitation and inspection readiness. As shown in the slide, maintaining consistent kitchen hygiene during busy operation can be challenging, and the outlet might not be fully prepared for official inspection. This can lead to penalties, temporary closure, and loss of customer trust. Although the likelihood is medium, the impact is high due to strict regulatory enforcement in the food industry. To mitigate this, the company should implement strict cleaning schedules, assign dedicated hygiene teams, and conduct mock inspection before opening. This helps ensure operational standards are consistently maintained even under high workload conditions. A clean kitchen is not only a requirement but also a reflection of brand credibility.
Hello, my name is Aurelia Putriwardana, and I will explain the customer turnout marketing risk. As shown in this slide, even though the outlet is located in a premium business district, there is still a risk that promotional strategies may not effectively attract enough customers during the launch phase. This can result in lower than expected sales, failure to meet revenue targets, and weak brand visibility in a competitive market. The impact is high because it directly affects overall business performance and market positioning. To mitigate this, the company should implement strong digital marketing champions, collaborate with the influencers, and offer attractive grand opening promotions. This will be key to building strong initial customers, traffic, and brand awareness. First impressions during launch will heavily influence long-term customer perception.
Next, I will discuss supplier consistency and inventory control. As shown in the slide, the supply chain flows from supplier to the warehouse, then to the kitchen and outlets. Any disruption at the supplier level can affect the entire operation. One major challenge is post-pandemic supply disruption, which can cause raw material delays and lead to critical stock depletion. When important ingredients are unavailable, restaurants may face menu unavailability, operational disruption, and a decline in service quality. This is considered a high-risk issue because restaurant operation depend on a stable supply of ingredients every day. To reduce this risk, the company should maintain safety stock as a backup inventory, use real-time inventory monitoring to track stock levels, strengthen supplier contract to ensure reliable deliveries, and apply demand forecasting to plan inventory needs more accurately. In conclusion, effective supplier management and inventory control are essential to maintain smooth operations, ensure menu availability, and provide consistent service to customers.
Furthermore, backup suppliers and contingency logistic. Big supplier, alternative supplier maintain supplies when the primary supplier experience problems. Contingency logistic, a backup logistic strategy, assurance smooth distribution. Backup suppliers are suppliers prepared to replace primary suppliers in the event of a distribution. This strategy helps maintain raw materials availability and reduce the risk of production interruption. Contingency logistic is an emergency logistic plan that includes alternative routes, transportation, or warehouse to ensure distribution continues during distribution. Benefit of companies in this help maintain operational community, reduce the risk of supply chain distribution, and in the increases customer confidence and business resilience.